Personal style is important. I mean, I'm from the South, so who doesn't like a good monogram? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can customize your Trello board that reflects your own style. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda Melody, and I am a systems strategist. My goal is to save your most valuable asset, your time. I do that by creating systems and resources for your business and life. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I publish a new video every Tuesday. So let's hop on over to the Trello dashboard, and I'm going to show you my favorite ways to customize my Trello boards and cards. So the first place that we can customize our Trello account is by customizing our pictures on our Trello boards. So I'm in the Trello dashboard. I'm just going to pick this particular template, my business binder. It's how I organize everything in my business. And when I talk about the image, I'm talking about this background image right here. As I scroll over from all my lists, then you can see this image. Now, if you have a free account, how are you going to change this image? We're going to go to the upper right hand corner where it says show menu. We'll click there, and then we're just simply going to select change background. We can use a solid color if you want a solid color, or you can search photos from Unsplash, which is a free image resource online. You can use keywords, let's say for example flowers, and you have lots of different choices. You simply select, and then it's going to change the background. If you have a paid account, then you have an opportunity where you can upload your own personal images. Maybe you want to do a logo page, whatever you want to do. If you have a paid account, then you can switch out the images with one of your personal images. So that is the first way that we can customize our Trello board. The next way that we can customize our Trello board is actually within a card. So right here you can see this is my week at a glance template, and the way that I have organized my week at a glance is that I've used time blocking, and the way that I've been able to do that is a customization using labels. And so when I go into a card, I'll select this card, and now I'm going to go over here to this menu, add to card. I can do members. I'm going to select labels. These labels can be plain labels, so we're going to disable the colorblind friendly mode. And so now they're just plain, or I can have this little design here at the end. And when I select a label, so for example, for daily is orange, you'll see this little check mark. The other customization that I can make to labels, if I select the little pencil, is that I can name this one daily. And now I click save, and it says daily. So now let's take a look, and you can see that daily is on all of the labels. Or you can simply just keep them with their colors, and like I have AM, midday, PM, and what's for dinner. So that is another way that you can customize your template. Another way that I could customize a board is to add stickers to cards. The way that I go to add a sticker to a card is I'm going to go over here to the upper right hand corner that says show menu, and now I'm going to select stickers. Now at this time, they're just specific stickers that you can use to personalize your boards. So say for example, I want to do a thumbs up for dinner. And so I just drag and drop. And you can see when I hover over the sticker in order to remove it, all I have to do is click remove. Really easy to do. If I want to star my AM because I enjoy AM, then I just drag and drop. If I want to remove, now all I have to do is select remove. And finally, the last thing that I want to cover, you see on some instances in these cards, I have my avatar picture, which you see up here in the upper right-hand corner. It's that image. So how do I add that image to a card? So let's say, for example, I want to go to, we'll just pick dinner here on Friday. So I'll select dinner. Now to add to this card, I'm going to select members, and now I'm going to select myself. And when I click off, now you see my image. This is great visually if you are working as a team and the team board, you're assigning different tasks. Who is in charge of this particular task or this particular card? So those are just a few ways that you can personalize your Trello board and cards. Now you've got some quick tips on how you can personalize your very own Trello board. If you're looking for a place to start, make sure you check out the link in the description where I share with you one of my Trello board templates. If this video has been helpful for you, show me some love and click on the heart underneath this video. I'm also going to invite you to a community of women just like you in my private Facebook group, Strategy by Design, where I share free workshops and guest experts to help you build a profitable and irresistible online presence.